Easy go.
Hello friends, here again I'm back with new video. Today's topic is how to make a sniper intro using panzoid in Android phone. Without making it, let's get started. Hello friends, this is Nagraj. Welcome to my YouTube channel all in one. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please make sure that click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Open Google or Google Chrome browser. Type panzoid and search. You can find the link in below description. Here you can see login, which is on right top corner. Click on login button. Here you have to enter email ID. Enter your password. And then click on login button. Select the first one, clip maker. Find the sniper intro. Scroll down until you get sniper intro. Dynamo Gaming. Click on that. Open in Clip Maker. Once it's done loading, you can see the sample before editing. Click on play button and I. Then click on 3 lines, select basics. Here you can see video resolution. Click on that, select the video resolution which you want. Here I go with 640 into 360. Here you can select frame rate. Here I go with 30. You can select the length of intro. Here it is 10 seconds. I think it's enough. Then select objects. Then scroll down until you get text. Click on that. Then type. Here I'll type Prince. Then click on the text, then change it. Prince. Once it's done, click on 3 lines. Then scroll down until you get download option. Click on download option. Here you can see mode and format. Click on the mode. Here it is the 4 options, that is faster render, balanced, good quality and extreme quality store. Here I go with balanced. Select the format. Here I'm selecting MKV. Click on start video rendering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.